Hey guys, Panorama here, welcome back to my channel. I'm out here again doing another install. I am going to be throwing on the Tacoma, right behind me, the DRT Fabrications hammer hangers. I'm swapping out my original factory OEM shackle hangers. It's underneath, everything's ready to go, tires are off and everything. I'm throwing on the DRT Fabrications hammer hangers, which are straight beef. These things are phenomenal. You can see right here. Excited to finally get these on. Derek, honestly, in my opinion, has probably some of the best welds I have ever seen. I mean, the beads are so clean and the products are super dope. Really excited to throw these on. I won't waste any more of y'all's time. Just real quick, a reason to upgrade shackle hangers is the OEM ones are not the strongest, and especially when you're wheeling and stuff, you have a chance of smacking them, which can bend them, which I have a buddy who actually did bend his in Moab. But like I said, we'll jump into the install. I'll show you exactly how it's done. So I wanted to show this little helpful hint. I saw this on a video actually watching a guy do his hammer hangers. And just basically any type of small little floor jack that comes with any car. I got this one out of Corolla, I think. It was an old Corolla I had. And I ended up just keeping the jack when I sold the car. But if you're operating off the floor, you don't have some fancy lift to release the tension and the leaf springs. You can unbolt everything. But the bolts are going to get wedged up in there because it's a lot of pressure. Just slide the small jack in between the frame and the springs and just do a little bit of twisting. It'll push it back down to level it out, and you can pull it out nice and easy. So super dope tip. with the whole shackle and hanger off, kind of want to show you what it looked like, as well as the rivets. So this is basically what's mounted to the frame. Right here, this is the hanger, and it's cut from the bottom. So it would basically go something like that, and then it'd be bolted to the frame right there, and then on the bottom as well. Just for more room to work, I sawed it off, so this was left on the frame. And then the shackle sits in there just like that. It moves around. But these are what the rivets look like. So basically, it fits through here like so. And then the other side is the other head, like that. I mean, it's drilled out and everything, so it's kind of messed up, but essentially that's what it looks like. So what you're basically doing is you're cutting off the one side, removing it, and then you're drilling out the hole on the other one to basically knock it out from the bracket. And then once it's out, you can remove the bracket. It might be stuck to the frame, so using like a chisel or something to kind of wedge in between, you're able to knock it off. But that's basically how you do it.